Well, in this video, I will talk about a special kind of question where you will face something like that in order to find out the value. FR will be given to you. Now, the thing is, what is R actually? What is R? We can say it is X, we can say it is Y. No. R is the position vector which is looking like something that X, sorry, there is a vector symbol, Xi cap plus Yj cap plus Z k cap. Now, the thing which is important, now we will deal with the magnitude of r, not the r vector actually. The magnitude is nothing but root over x square plus y square plus z square, right? It's very easy to understand what is the root, not root actually, the magnitude of r. Now the thing is how we can find out this. We need to talk about something like del r first. Actually we will talk about del of mod r, but sorry, but I am just saying that mod of this is nothing but equals to r, okay, so that complications will be ignored. So however, this will be equals to what? R vector divided by r. How? Let me prove it. So first of all, you know that r is equals to that. So, and you would also know that is del or Nabla operator. So first I have to differentiate with respect to x. So this will be something like x2 divided by x square plus y square plus z square into 2 into I cap. Now this is the first thing. What about y? Y will be same, just you have to replace x as y. Now I am not repeating the same steps, just I am doing the calculations for the first step. You will see something like x I cap plus y j cap divided by this same quantity plus z k cap divided by this same quantity. So we can take common it and we can say something like this is nothing but that x square plus y square plus z square, and this is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, right? Now we know that this is nothing but r vector and this is nothing but what? Mod of r, and we are saying that mod of r is nothing but r, right? So hopefully you can understand this is del r. Del is a vector, r is the magnitude of r or position vector. So let me do a simple question so that you can understand how we can deal with such kind of questions. Let's say this is the question and you have to find out the value. So first of all, differentiate normally, like this is ln r, so you have to differentiate it normally. Now normally if we are differentiating it, then the differentiation of ln r is 1 by r into, now we have to use the del or Nabla operator to r and we will get something like that. It is a very like very easy question. Now basically what is happening here, this is del, let's say, okay fine, let's say this is f of g of h of x. Now if we are differentiating this function, then you have to differentiate first f, which will be like f dash g of hx, then we have to differentiate g of hx, which will be g dash hx, then you have to differentiate again the hx in that case and we will get something like that. So in that case same thing is happening here. We have to differentiate the outer function, which is ln r, then you have to differentiate the inner function, which is nothing but r. The differentiation of r is r vector by r. Now let's say this is the question something like sine ln r, let's say, just assume. Now what is the differentiation of sine x? The differentiation of sine is cos x, right? So this is cos ln r, cos ln r. Now the differentiation of ln r is 1 by r and the differentiation of r is not differentiation actually, but still just say it's a differentiation. Very easy to understand. This is what? This is cos ln r divided by r square into r vector. Very easy to understand, right? So hopefully you can understand how we can deal with such kind of questions. So In the next video I will talk about del square, where you need to talk about the Laplacian operator and you have to find out this or something like this. So this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching my videos. Goodbye.